it somewhere. Go to Twitter. Twitch. No, don't open up Google. Don't want that. Don't open up Chrome. Telling me I'm live. And tuber, PNG, tuber, women who code. That cool. Okay. Yeah, my thing went off. Okay. So we have start timer. Start timer resets it too. Oh, the start timer destroys it. That's unfortunate. Okay. Start a timer and it keeps going. Start another timer, it does that. So this, okay. So what we want is something particular. We want timer started ternary. If it is not started, we want that. We want, if it has started, we want end timer. End timer, so, oops. And timer time 0. Toggle timer false. And we want to clear timeout. Timeout. Just place there. Start timer 1, 2, 3, 4, end timer. Start timer. It did not clear out the timer. Hi, Neely. I got double timers going on. So this should set time 0, toggle timer, timeout timer. Clear timeout. Confused. It is coding. It's going to be a little bit, if you don't know coding, it's going to be a little bit different. Clear timeout. So this is correct, right? Clear timeout. Spell that right. So it should stop the first timeout. Where's my thing? I feel old now? Why do you feel old now? End timer. Start timer. No, it's going twice. Don't go twice. I don't want you to go twice. I want you to go... I need you to stop this timer. Because I get confused with coding? Then why does that make you feel old? I shouldn't make you feel old. I'm old. I'm just now learning coding and I can't figure out why it's not clearing out the timer. Oh, if you need to repeat, just do set interval. Maybe I should do that. Set time. I can get rid of this now. Now, do I need to do set interval? You can do it! Yee! Set interval. Timer timeout 1000. Timer timeout. And this is, now I want to clear timeout. Clear interval. JavaScript. I managed in nothing, but I shall support. Clear interval, yep. It's clear interval. Timeout timer. Well, actually, no, we want to set interval on this. And we do timeout timer. Like this, yeah. Clear interval my var. My var equals set interval. Okay. Oops. Const. Start timer. Interval timer. Set interval. So this one we want. Oops, no. And to start this. Is this automatically? Why is this? Oh, I see. Interval timer. Clear interval. Interval timer. Does that work at all? End timer. Let's refresh. Start timer. Interval timer is not a function. Pretty sure it is a function. Because I need to call it as a function. Fine. Shall make it a function. But 1, 2, 3, end timer. 1, 2. No! Stop it! Stop it! I pressed the wrong button. Cancel. Oh, I see. Okay. Twitch is being weird. No, I don't see about this. So it should be clearing the interval timer. It shouldn't be going. Now it's even faster because there's 3 of them. So start timer, timer 0, toggle timer true, toggle pause, clear interval. End timer should clear. Okay. So clear interval not working. Oh, because it's not the actual thing, is it? Enclave interval. Bar interval. On click function if interval ID. Clear interval. Interval set interval. Font change. Clear interval. Interval ID. Timer ID. Interval timer equals set interval font change 500 and later clear, but I can't just call it. It doesn't make any sense. How do I start the, is it already starting the timer if I take this off? What the fuck? Ah! This is not what I want. So start. Well, I don't want the interval to start until later. equals set interval. Hold on, let's look at this. In this case, on click function set interval, clear interval, font change. On click function if interval ID start timer. Interval ID equals set interval. No, they don't. Whatever. Pretty sure I could just do it without it. Turn true. Yeah, whatever. True. Return. No, I can just say true. I'm pretty sure I could make it without anything. What's your problem? Why do I have the alarm? Go away. Go away. Monster creation. Let. It has to be a let anyways. What's your problem? Okay, start timer. Interval timer is not a function. Interval timer is not a function. Interval timer. Oh. Oh, and then again, it's not a function. How do I... ID interval equals... Oh, I don't need this. Because it's gonna start anyways. Refresh. Start timer. 2, 3, 4. End timer. Start timer. God damn it! Clear the interval! You fucking working! Ah! Why? Just clear the interval. End timer. Clear interval. Interval timer. That's what that is. Multiple times. Click twice to deliver. Clear the first interval. So the interval function returns an integer value, which is the ID of the timer instance that you created. And this integer value is passed into var timer ID equals blah. Clear interval. Why isn't clear interval working? End timer should clear the interval. End timer should clear the interval. But it's not. Interval timer. Clear interval. Goes once. Why? Clear interval not working. Set interval. PD variable turns to set interval on mobile. Timer equals set interval, clear interval, timer! Why? You're supposed to... Is it because you don't exist anymore? What the hell? set timeouts, which you're looking for, not set interval. They both work the same. So your code doesn't need to. Why? Window. Clear interval method. My var equals set interval. My timer blah blah blah. Function stop function. Clear interval my var. We're not. Why are you not clearing the interval? Clear interval. This is just the basic, the most baby basic thing ever. Just clear the interval. Where's my... Yeah, clear interval's not working in React. Another way is to directly this interval ID set interval but well I'm at clear interval this interval ID. You need to save it in state. What amount set interval the start refresh stats 1000 set state interval ID equals interval ID. Valid assignment to const. Okay. So set interval timer. Set interval timer to I can't edit the I shouldn't be able to edit that. Why does that work? Why does that work? I don't know why that works. I guess because the page is re-rendering. Okay. And this I stole, by the way, if you can't tell. I stole completely to get the seconds and the minutes and etc. Okay. I'm not recording this. Why do I keep forgetting to record this? I guess I'll just grab it from Twitch Leecher. Okay. Very easy. I don't want this to be P anymore. I want this to be a spin. CSS can come later. Well, first we're going to, Granite sass. Because we want sass. We want sassy, 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 sass. Oops. Stop that. Okay, end timer, start timer. So we kind of want this into state or store. Current timer 0. Set current timer. So we want a comma. Set. No, just set. Set. Stop it! No, none of that. Zoo stand? Show me zoo stand. Where's zoo stand? Just set, right? Set. Okay, then stop being a butt. Create? No, create. Set. Oh, interesting. Set. And then current timer, set, state, and we want current timer, +1. We want this to be a, because this is state. Oh, we want that also in parentheses, apparently. It's a little silly, but it works. Okay, so we're going to redo our timer component. We're going to import store from store store /store/store, and we did export. No, I don't want to export constant store. I didn't mean to close that either. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of it. Use store. Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. So we want to change this into time. Is that what I named it? Time? Time equals use store state dot current time const set current timer. We want to timer plus 1,000. Set current timer equals use store state dot set current timer. So we want, what did we name this? We just called it timer timeout. We'll call it set current timer. So timer timeout. Timer timeout. Set current timer. Every 1,000 seconds. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Set time is not defined. Current timer is not defined. Current timer. Current time is not defined. Current timer. Current time. Set time is not defined. Set time. Ah. Set current timer. Oh, but I need that to be like so I guess I need that to be specific. But the state and is reset. Current timer is if it's reset, set current timer to 0. If is reset. What's wrong with this? Oh, don't want. Just want. What did I? Weird. Want to set current timer to 0. Say, oh wow, I've got like 100 of these. Do you only have one monitor? I have 2 monitors, but my other sorry if this is really late. I have 2 monitors, but I'm using the other one to monitor my OBS. This isn't display capture, and these are side by side though. What? Okay, what did I do? Okay, hold on. Set state is reset. There we go. If it's reset. Oh, right, I've been doing Python. Ugh. If is reset. Set current time to 0. If it's not reset, you're going to set current time to current time plus 1000. Set current time. We're gonna do that. Okay, so we gotta change this to time. State.current time. I am becoming smarty. Are you becoming smarty, Neely? Are you becoming smart? Okay, set current time. So I need to actually set current time. Can I do this? Time. False. And we don't have a set time. Need set current time. Time. True. Going to reset and set current time. True. Okay, let's see. Okay, current time is not defined. Current time. Current time is not defined. On line 23. 23. Huh? Line 9, sorry. Line 9. Line 9, constant interval timer. Set interval timer. Huh? Current time is not defined. Refresh. Current time is not defined. Store, sorry. Current time is not defined. Current time. Current time. Current time. Current time. What is it? State. Current time. I don't think it works like this, but that's not okay. That's not how it's working. Okay, look at the stand. Bears increase on a set state. Bears state that. Oh, interesting. State at current time. What about that? Huh? Ooh, you don't like it. Don't like it. You don't like it. Line 7. Set state. Expected an assignment or function call, instead saw an expression. Blah blah. If is reset. Set state. Oh, okay. How are you becoming smart, Genially? Tell me. Tell me how you become smart, too. Start timer. 2. Alright. Well, we're getting somewhere. Okay, so start timer. Time is 0. If reset. Oh, return. Start forgetting to add these because of Python. One? Okay. Or it's happening now. So every time 1 state.current time plus 1,000. Current time equals state plus current time plus 1,000. How do I do? Because I want this, because I know I'm gonna need the current time to like save it in a different slot or something. So I know I need it in the stand. Set state. So this just can be whatever, because it doesn't matter. I think. So it's not resetting. What did I do? Set current time, time false. Okay, because it's not... Will it get mad at me because I don't have a, No, it will not get mad at me. It will assume false because it's not enter. How about if I end? How if I start? Ah, okay. Cause yeah, I knew set interval you had to like put stuff in. Do I really need state? I don't think I need state. Let me just put this here. Start timer. End timer. Start timer. Okay, good. To end timer, I don't really need to, like... I don't need to technically toggle... Well, I don't need to set current time. We'll see. I don't think I need that. Let's see. Start timer. 1, 2, 3... Yep. End timer. 1, 2, 3. Yep, okay. Perfect. Okay, so I have this connected to this stand state, so I can end this. So, okay, so if I want store, I want finished times daily times. Set add daily time. I need this to go somewhere specific. I need to store the milliseconds. This to go into file utils.js. KS. Rename. Export export function image time. This is the JS. So we're going to import up. Import ms to time from go up 1 utils. And we're going to go to this. How does this work? How do you like this? Nope. Does not contain it. Oh, right. Nope, just the last one. Object is not a function. What's your problem? What's your problem? Nothing. You just didn't care. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know, it just doesn't care sometimes. Okay, start timer, end timer. Perfect, okay. We got it in our utils, so we can use this somewhere else. So back to store, we want to add daily time. We're gonna save it. Guess we're just gonna save it in milliseconds. So, because you can't really like save like in how long. Okay, so we're gonna save it till set. Daily times state. Oh, state dot daily times and I think we automatically get state when we do this. I guess Need state, so state. New item. New time. New time. Stays undefined. What you mean state is undefined? Set state. Zoo stand. Zoo stand. Dun dun. Oh, you have to like. Set. Okay. Whatever. Alright, so we're gonna be getting out of the timer components. We're gonna get into the we're gonna get into the wait, do I have my overlay? Properties. Refresh the cache of the current page, because I think it's not actually showing up every time it does those commissions. So we'll refresh the page. Okay, so we want a new component, and we want it to be timer list. Daily list.js. Because we'll save this to a database, but for now we're just showing everything that we've put together. Okay, for now we'll just save it like this. So RFC. Let's see. We want to import store from store/store, import ms to time from tills. So we're going to okay, so also in the timer we want const add daily time, store state use add daily time. So we're going to, when we end timer, we want to clear the interval, that's fine. Want to add daily time. Well, we wanted state time. Yeah, just time. How did I make that work? Set state new time. Well, let's just. Oh, state is daily time. Can I just do new time? Will it get mad at me if I don't have state? Okay, don't have state. I don't want to put in the old state, but I want to put in state at daily times. I want to add them both in there, but we're gonna add them both in there. Daily times. Store. State. Daily times. So. Daily times. Time. And this goes back to having state time. Okay. The daily lists will import daily times. Store. Import. What the hell? Daily times. Store. State. State.daily times. Okay, and then we're going to. It's going to be an array, so we're going to do daily times dot map. Oh, we're going to map a avoid this because yeah, it's about to yell at us for some stuff. It's definitely going to be yelling at us because we don't have some other stuff. This time's not map. We're mapping times. So we're going to, for now, we're just going to return a, we'll do a P. No, we'll just do a div. You didn't automatically undiv me? Amazing. Add a div, and we're going to just do ms2 time daily times. Is the empty array falsy? Empty array falsy. Falsy. JavaScript. Is that falsy? Okay. So we're going to do daily times dot length. I don't remember if that's a function. Over 0. I don't think it's a function. Daily times the length over 0 and daily times that. Okay. So in our app, we're going to also add daily lists. Start timer. End timer. Okay. Interesting. And you're gonna get mad at me for that. That's fine. I missed time. Oh, because we're not doing current time. What the hell is... Wait, no. Daily time should show up. Let's go to our timer. And we're going to console log time. Start timer. End timer. 3000. So it is the number 3000. So we're gonna save this. We're going to console log daily times. What's coming up in our daily times? 1, 2, 3. Array undefined. So something is going wrong with new time. State to daily times undefined. How do you just add it normally instead of just spreading? I always use the spread option. Add to an array. I know it sounds dumb that I should know this. Just push. Okay. Daily times dot push. New item. New time. I fucked that up a lot. New time. Daily times is not a state. Daily times push. Daily times blah 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 blah. Oh, I see. 1. Uncaught. Daily times is not a function. Well, I just want to push because it's a Hey. I just want to push to the array. Ya butt? Daily times that push is not a function because it became not a function. I would like to push it to the empty array. Why you no goo? Start timer, blah blah, end timer. 1. But I wanted to push it to an empty array! Why? 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 Oh, that's weird. Resist stand has opened. Why is it just 1? Daily time should be an array, so it should push to the array. Refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also shouldn't be 1, it should be like 3,000. Okay, so daily times, yeah, whatever. It's an empty array. Time should be .log time. 1, 2, 3. See, 2,000. It's 2,000, so it should be pushing into daily times equals stay daily times a push. Because if I do like the spread operator like you're supposed to, like that's supposed to work. You spread out and you have what it was before. Okay. If I initialize this with 0, what happens? Non-number, undefined. 0, 0, 0, undefined. So if I don't have it with a 0, what is it doing? Start timer, blah, 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 blah. Array undefined. Okay. Why is this undefined? I've just checked that this is 2,000. New time. Daily times. Time. Constant log is 2,000. This should be... Start timer. Huh. So it's something in this. It's not adding, it's not turning into... What? Time equals time. Well, that doesn't matter because it was turning undefined anyways. Array undefined. Use effect is defined but never used. Yeah, whatever. Milliseconds is assigned value but never used. Yeah, I don't care. Why no goo? Why no goo goo? Why does it... Daily times is an array that is ... daily times with the new time added, and the new time added should be like 3,000. Don't make me do this. Bitch. Making me do this. Turn daily times. It's just because I didn't set it. I am setting it. because I'm okay. Do set, okay, this state and new time. Shouldn't work, but I'm gonna do it. Wait, why is this not working? I don't remember. I don't know why I did this. Daily times. Set state. Oh, okay, wait. Set state current time. No, not current time. Daily times. State daily type, damn it. Daily times. New time. What's your problem? I don't think that helps. New time. State. Yeah, sure, that'll work. Oh, what's your problem? Nope, just reset. Got it. Okay. 1, 2, 1, and array, empty array. 2, 3. Array 1, empty array. We have made progress, but it is not the correct progress. Okay. State daily times equals new time. What if I just do this? This will not work, but I'm going to do it. End timer. End timer. Why are you not? Oh, it's refreshing. Start timer. Blah, blah, blah. End timer. Why are you not? Array. Empty array. Okay, start timer. End timer. Where is the update for the daily times? Add daily times. Daily times. State dot daily times dot push. New time. Start timer. Blah 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 blah. End timer. 1. Come on! Why? Should be easy. Should be easy. Should be super, super, super easy. You should go blah, 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 end timer. Why are you putting an empty array? Oh wait, no, I know it's wrong, I know it's wrong, I know it's wrong, I know it's wrong, I know it's wrong. I know it's wrong. Discovered the problem, maybe. End timer, 2 minutes. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay. I got it. I forgot to change a thing. Okay. So now we need to get it with an object. We need the timer to have, like, inputs and stuff like that. Let's saving saving times. I should also push this. It's been a while. I don't know why they didn't ask me for my password, but that's okay. Okay. Start timer. Just let it go for a second. If it goes over 24 hours, I don't know. I'll change my milliseconds to something. If it's something ridiculous. Oh yeah. Well, oh yeah. Okay. Seconds, minutes, hours. Bum, 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 bum. End timer. 24 seconds. 0 seconds. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What do I want to add first? I want... So this is going to be... I want... Start timer. Const. Initial button. Equals. Okay. There's going to be an input. Type. Type text. Description. Type text. ID equals desk. I want these all to be span. Well, I want these to be... I will change these as I need to in my CSS. D equals desk. Folder. This. Tag holder. Tags. The tag. Okay, so we're just gonna do a description for now because tags are gonna be a whole different thing. Tags are gonna be a whole entire different thing. So I gotta figure that out. It's probably gonna be some component. So I guess this is a form. Form ID equals on click equals start timer. Form. We're gonna have a button. Don't have that. Type equals submit. Can I not do a form? Form is no form. Slash. Huh? Form. Form. Am I stupid? Slash form? That's not how that works. It is how that works. I'm just stupid. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Description type submit. So on start timer, we are going to event default, and this is not gonna work because it always doesn't work because I do something wrong every time. And I don't remember what it is. I'm gonna have to look it up in a different thing because it usually just never works. Event.prevent default. submit, start timer. So, and then start timer. We don't want the ID, we want the value. Is equals to. We want to const description value. Desk value set desk value state equal use state. So value is desk value. We're trying to make this big. Type is text value on change. We'll set desk value value. How that works? How that works. I'll remember how that works actually. Finish this man over here. On chain, set this value. Value is not defined. Okay, E. Oh, right, E. Set this value. E dot target. E dot target dot value. That's what I remember now. Yay, okay. Shut up, it's fine. Value equals type submit start timer. So that'll change this value. So we want this. We want to add daily timer. We want an object that is desk value. We want time. I don't want time to just be time. Do we want to keep the date that it was created? I guess we do want to keep the date that it's created as well. So we want const created at set created at state const. No, we don't need to keep that as a const. So when we create it, we're going to event.prevent by default. We're going to set created at date.now. We'll just do that just because. Now, and then we're going to have the time. Time created at. We did create at, so created at. Finished at date.now. Time. Yeah, time. It's fine. is all, and then I'm going to initial button. It's going to be that one. So, oops, that should have not done that. Why did that do that? Clicking, huh? Clicking? Oh, on click, on submit. Submit. That's what I was, submit. Okay. Click, start timer. End timer, and then it gets upset because I haven't changed into daily list. We're going to do a record. So we're going to do ms time. Yeah, we're going to do div disk record dot desk record dot time. Now I need the date and formats. What do I want to format my date? Date.parse. So we want port date from date and time. Dating. Date and time. Yep. Okay. Import from date and time. Okay, import date and time. So what we want is started. We want date dot format record dot created at want date with 0 padding 0231 DD date day of the week. Let's DDD how do you do this? DDD Friday month. I want the month name. Sorry. DDD. Want hour. SS. And then AM or PM. Where was that? In again. A Iridium uppercase AM PM. And then we want, is this true? GMT plus 0 is 0. Oh, how do I just do it by... What GMT is it going by currently? We're also going to do this. Const pattern equals date dot compile. So change it whenever we feel like it. Date format but pattern. Let's do that. I started, ended. I really need the day. Well, I need the month. I need the date. I need DD. Save. Alright, what's your problem? End timer. What's your problem? Date object at get time is not a function. Date that add milliseconds. Oh, because... Wait, no. Ended date that or record. That's not what I did, but we're going to do finish that. Finish that. Record the time. Date the object to get the time is not a function. Node modules. So something wrong with the node modules. Get time is not a function. Data object get time is not a function. Why is JavaScript get time not a function? That's because your dat one are just string. You should parse them to get a date object. That's not correct. Use this because date that parse string. This is a new date, so it should just take a date function. Sorry, record. Record I created that. Blah blah blah. Start timer. End timer. Yeah, it's just numbers. Also, yeah, description created at, finished at. Object that get date time is not a function. Is this out of date? Is date and time out of date NPM package? Or just strings? Date types variables just defined as a TypeScript. Try to convert two into the following method. Sure, use a data object. I got the date type. Date that get time. Date one. Date. Sorry, it's not correct. Let's just try this, see if it works. That's very silly if it did work, but we'll see. Oh. Huh. Weird. That's actually really weird, that it would do that. actually really, really, really weird that it would not just take the, it just took numbers. It just became numbers is when it saved it. Like, it didn't save it as a data object, it saved it as a bunch of numbers. Okay, whatever. So I want June 9th. Yeah, I want the month. Thank you! Thank you for liking my avatar, Mino-san. Yeah, Mino-san. There you go. Is it voice activated? It is voice activated. Sorry about the commissions in front of my face. That's just Autobot going off. Yes, it is voice activated. It's a program called Anyone VTuber that supports GIFs and voice activation and blinking and 4 different emotions. Yeah. It is indeed voice activated. I like it a lot. I think it's really interesting. I do plan on getting live 2D or 3D depending on what I feel like, but for right now this one's really nice. And it is a can I this please? Why am I there we go. I've got a full body, by the way. Yeah, I like pixel art a lot, so I just like the pixel art stuff, and it's easy to change styles. So I figured out a way. I talked to the developer that I can change styles. This is like a kind of alternate under outfit to my main outfit. But yeah, I'll go back down here now. Alright, an hour and a half. What was I doing? Well, I gotta technically show everything, so if I start another timer, it doesn't. It'll also be yes, fifth. Because it does not clear out the description. Yeah, tags are gonna be a whole different thing in Project, but this is the baby basics. Which is not bad for the basics. Me time, yes. Just let that go for a second. But yes, thank you, Mino-san. I worked hard on my avatar and I like it. Good evening or afternoon, hello! Not Ant, but Anton Design. It is good, just afternoon. Just afternoon. It's just afternoon right now. How are you doing? I'm kind of like sitting back for a second. Because I got this far and now I gotta think about more things to do. I'm wondering when I should start the styling. The styling or not. I'm doing pretty good. I got some schoolwork done, finished today, and then decided to work on something else, so it's going good. And my stuff works. I was getting annoyed earlier because it wasn't working. But I just got it to work now. Okay. Div class name equals record. When stuff is working, it's always a better day. Yes, it is. It is always a better day when it actually works. ID equals. You shouldn't do this. You should never do this. But, just go second. Yes, second. You should never use I for the key, but it gets React to shut up at you for a little bit. Yeah, let me drink my drink. Let's see. I guess I need to make a key. What was it called? Node UUID or something. Well, when I put it in the database, it'll have its own ID. So I'll just install this for now. Not that. What's it called? UUID? Okay. Yarn add UUID. I'll just add that for now. And then I'll have to put that in timer. Import UUID from UUID. How do I use it again? I think I just use import UUID v4 is UUID v4. Guess I will do import v4 as UUID v4. There we go. Sure. Is this kind of record tracker? Yeah. I got tired of all the other ones that are just like 100% free, and then they want pro version, and they just want more money for data and analytics, and I just want to keep track of some time and do that. And I'm like, fine, I'll do it myself. So it's gonna be harder than I think it's going to be, but I just decided that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna start working on a record tracker. You can tag it, put it by projects, and look at stats, and also put in how much money it is worth and connect it to a database. So this is the very, very beginning of it. I did not use daily times. I don't need that anymore. Cool, go away. Okay, B4 is UUID. How do I use UUID? I want... can I just make a UUID? Seems like a big project. It seemed... Well, when I'm describing it to myself, I'm like, it's not that hard, but it's probably going to be a little harder than I think it is. How do I just make... Can't I just, like... I messed up. Hold on. I don't want this anymore. UUID. You can call UUID v4. There was a different one that's like less complicated, and I kind of don't need it. I probably shouldn't add it until like I connect to the database, because the database will have a unique key for each of them anyways. So, and technically my key could be also yeah, my ID could be record that created at. Oops, I need to actually, because there's no way that it will actually not anymore, that it would actually be a thing anymore. Blah, 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 blah. Put the timer. Used in the past. Ah, I see. I've used it before, but for some reason it was silly. A unique key. Oh, sorry. I'll make it a key, because it cannot be created at the same time, because it'll be even slightly different. And this array for this is full of, I just created that, description, finished at, time, 1,000 milliseconds. It's a time taken. Yeah, I want that. Took 1 second. This is also huge. I forgot this is huge because I made it bigger so everyone can see it. This is how big it is right now. But I want everyone to be able to see it, because for a second I thought, I was like, why is this so huge? It's like, no, it's just because I made it bigger. Encountered 2 children with the same record created at. Oh. but they're started at different times. So they should be different keys. Character create actually should be unique. Huh. You put it in between quotes. I did, didn't I? You are correct. Oops, cancel. You are correct. Because I was thinking of it as itty. So, blah. Blah. You gonna yell at me? You didn't yell at me. Good. Perfect. Okay, good. I make little mistakes like that. Alright, so there's the little baby basics. I'll have to connect that to a database, but that's what I want. I also want a tag. I want a tag system. So how do I implement a tag system, I wonder? I would have to parse. Well, I wonder if there's a component library. Like, you know, in like YouTube, when you write in tags and you use a comma in between them, they'll automatically tag themselves and like put it in an array, probably. Happy little mistakes. Yes. Happy little mistakes. I make many, many, many happy little mistakes. Let's always look. Someone's already implemented npm tag. Tagify. What's this? Oh, no, I don't want to look at that one. Well, it doesn't matter. Tagify. Tag inputs component. Ooh, it's exactly what I want! Catman and Kyle do not know Homer Simpson. Transforms an input field or text area into a tags component in an easy customizable way with great performance and small code footprint. Exploited features, vanilla, React, Vue, Angular. Write some tags. Oh. I knew something like this would probably already exist. Import Tagify from Yarios, Tagify, var Tagify, new Tagify. Tagify.css and file in your project. CSS location. CSS location. Can be applied on input and text area elements. Supports mixed content. Text and tags otherwise. Single value mode. Whitelist, blacklist. Suggestions. Select box. Aliases. Suggest. Paste multiple values. Tag 1, tag 2 on new line separated tags. Project submitter. Not ARIA compatible. Tags may be editable. Double click. Gulp in your terminal from the project file. Gulp should be installed first. I don't know what Gulp is. Let's see. Source files are this path. SRC. Tagify, add tags, banana, orange, apple. Tagify to add tags, value. Banana color yellow. Value apple color red. Value watermelon color green. Adding tags dynamically. I haven't coded in a while. I feel like I need to start practicing again. Well, yep. No better time than now to just try a little project. It's probably too big of a project because it's been a while since I've done like a big project. Well, I guess I've done a big project for school, but like on my own without any guidance. This is kind of a big project that I chose to do, but still. So do I have to add the tags first? So modify original input value format. Default. Keeping this. More complex tags. Disable true. Do you have some examples of projects you've done in your past? Let's see. Let's take a look at my GitHub. There's nothing like, okay, so old one that I like still is Egg Chain Mover. So Pokemon, you can see all of the learned moves it does and all the egg moves that a Pokemon has, and everybody that can be passed down. It looks through, there's like a JSON file of all the Pokemon, and it looks through and says, hey, this person has this move and they're in the same egg group. So what you do is that you say, okay, I want, let's see, these are all the Pokemon who I can breed with that will give me Beat Up. How about Fake Out? Okay, only Sneasel I can breed with to get Beat Up and Fake Out. How about Pursuit? Alright, you got Ekans, Diglett, and more Sneasels. So, Sneasel will get you 3. How about Revenge? Nobody. Screech. Screech you can also get from Sneasel. So, you can get Aipom and Sneasel. I was trying to remake this to be like a little bit better, but I was trying to use Poke API, but I don't want to call from the API. I just want like a JSON list of all the Pokemon, and I don't know the best way to do that. I just need a JSON list of all their moves. I might just have to make it myself or something like that. Yeah, and clicking on them, we'll click on that. I think if you click on an evolution, it'll say see lower evolution for egg moves, but it doesn't find them. This does work in that this does have a React router, so I can write in, well, that didn't work. How about Pichu? Well, never mind, doesn't work. I made this a few years ago. But this is one of the last ones that I really liked. Let's see. The capstone that I just did for school, which I believe I can show, it's done now, is is not secure. So you have your username. Okay, we don't want that. 45, your birth date is a date picker. Harley, blah blah. It updates, uses WebSocket, so it updates immediately. It doesn't do that. This is a chat application. I made it with a group. Huh? Everyone's going live. I made it with a group, but I have to do a lot of the work. So, test, these are old ones. Delete user, I might leave. So if you copy this and put it into a new tab. Is working with ****. What do you mean with the password? So, profile. What's it? Home. Yeah, you're not logged in, so. What is your password? I forgot what your password was. Bobby. Test. So, let's see. We have books and TV. Hello. Hi. We look over here. Hi is finished. Hi. If you put them side by side, they usually line up. I used a dot in my previous NC. Socket.io. Yes. Socket.io. I did use Socket.io, which was really annoying to get to work with the deploying 2 different applications on Heroku and then getting them to connect together with the right headers and HTTPS protocol and whatnot. It took a while. I had to get a lot of help. So this was the last big project I did. It could be a lot better, but it was a group project. Oh, the joys of the core system. Yes, the joys of cores. Let's see if I've got any old stuff. Does this still work? I think this doesn't work anymore. Do I not have a GitHub? Some of them don't, like the GitHub release doesn't work anymore. this used to be a site that I could just... Oh, okay, thank you for following! Joys the Course. It's still a nice project. I think I actually, like, deployed this on an Amazon website, but I don't know the username, the password anymore. That one was easy. That's something else. This was, like, a very, very early project. It was just having a text field that's different themed. And then you can save as text, as a text file, using, 104, 1UUU, things like that. What's the other one? Capstone, mix it up. That's something else. Backend. Mixing game I didn't end up finishing. I don't think I was using Blob. I think I just uploaded them to Imager. This is a really old one. I've been meaning to do this forever. So there should be trade number 1. Okay, Reddit Pokemon trade shirt. This one is made around the same time as the Egg Move Chainer, in that it searches Reddit for the last 30 results of Pokemon trades, and it looks for any Pokemon mentioned, because I like Pokemon. Some you can see there's nothing in them, but like, you can click on this and look for any of the last 90 results containing Manaphy mentioned anywhere in the title and the description of the trade of I think like 4 or 5 subreddits. But this doesn't include the new Sword and Shield gen. This is before that generation. So it ends at like Marshadow. So you can see who's trading Shamings, who wants Victinis, who wants Meloetas. Jirachi is the only one that wants Jirachi. And that's the only one that wants Fione. How about Mew? Mew's in a few. I didn't want to get too many trades, so it's just the top 30. Or I don't know if it's the top, I think it might be the newest 30. But I was just learning how to use the Reddit API. I got some resume, that's something else. This one uses too much of the API. This uses Poke API and takes a while to load. I can't remember why. I need to do something else. It's on. But this shows all the berries. This is timed based on how long it would take. They're like time different based on how long they take. And what I wanted to do was show the relative size of the berries. Like, you never get a sense of scale on the berries in Pokemon, that some of them are absolutely huge. And some of them are tiny. So I just did it I just got the things from Poke API. And the only problem is that it like grabs one berry at a time. So I needed to change that if I ever wanted to do this again. So this one is privated, I believe. But how long it takes and how big the berries are and their flavors. Can't remember what this is for. I don't know if that was just telling how long it takes. Do you have anything else interesting? I got Pokemail, more Pokemon. Let's see, GitHub. This one is typing. There's this thing that randomly gives it's a font that are randomly different, like Gen 1 Pokemon. So you can do different letters. There's different stationery from the games. Doesn't all line up perfectly. You can do the font you want, and then you can download the image and you can save it and send it to a friend. I like this one a lot. I forget about it all the time, but it's just a can't remember even how I did it, but it saves it. I just thought it was really cute. I forgot about all these little ones that I could remake to be a little bit better. Cause this is when I was first learning coding and like maybe like, what's the updated? Yeah, 2019. So this was 2019, and then I had a kind of falling off on everything, and coding and gaming and everything like that. So I whatchamacallit, I just ended up not doing a lot for a long time, so I gotta get back into it. This is for a project for a friend who's not a friend anymore. But this loads all of the Pokemon that are in this region, this fake region. And it does like the color, the shape, the egg, and you can look everything that's upright, you can look everything that's blue, you can look at everything that's human shaped. It was just a different like searching based on the Pokédex of this region. Using Poke API, content game free, background by Toptal. Oh yeah, the little subtle background things. So it was me using APIs to like try and all done. I don't know what that meant. Oh, shape squiggly. I see. I can turn it back to that. It was me using there's a lot of baby projects to learn stuff. This is HTML and CSS that don't have actual things. And then this is when I was making games. I made a lot of games. A lot of them are privated by now. Just because everyone's gotta look at them. I should technically have my real picture on here because it's for professional for jobs, but I'm not doing that. Yeah. Oh, this shows all my schoolwork. Thankfully my repositories don't show my schoolwork besides the big project, because we had to learn how to make our own stuff. Mix It Up is all of the alerts that you see here and all the channel points and stuff like that. What's this? Arctic Code Vault. 3 programs and 20 on GitHub archive program. Cool. Didn't know that. Thank you for following. This is my stuff. I have a status. Oh. I didn't know GitHub had a status. But thank you for following. It's hard to do a lot of coding streams because I'm in school right now for back-end development, even though I have my front-end development certificate I just got. So I don't tend to code once I'm done, even though technically it's school time right now, but we're on private or personal project. I just noticed your avatar speaks when you speak. Oh, yes. It does speak when I speak. It does. It is voice activated. It is sound activated, so it'll do that too. And it has different emotions if you didn't see those earlier. I was using this a lot when things weren't working. And then I've got a happy, and I got sad, and I got the normal. What was it doing? Oh yeah, I want to do the tags, but the tags is really like intense tags. So let's look at that. Tagify NGX Tagify. Is this something different? Angular. Nope. React Tagify. Oh, I love the pixel art style. I really like pixel art. I like it. I'm proficient at it, so I think I like it. I'll do a repeat of what I just did earlier, and this is there's a full body right here, by the way, if you didn't see it earlier. just got a full body. Let's see. React Tagify. Is this different than the other Tagify? Or extracting hashtag mentions links in React tab. React Tagify. Colors red. Tags click tag. Programs are artists. React Tagify. Ah, this is not what I want. The other one is indeed what I want. Is this a different Tagify? Ah, this is a better page. Basic example. Passing in the input element as a parameter Tagify will transform it into tags components. Users will be allowed to create any tags they want without a count limit. If the input element has a predefined value attribute, tags will be created from it. So how do I get to the value tag 1, tag 2 autofocus? Tag 1, tag 2. Can I write? So how do I grab the tags out of the value so I can add them into the database? Whitelist. Preoccupied with 4 tags. CSS. Custom suggested. Text area. Easy to customize. Okay. Mix. Side of the box. Reader. List. Advanced options. Well, how do I maybe get the tags as a string and split for each spaces? Yeah, that's what I'm wondering, if there's like, I don't want a query selector because I want React. So this is value tag 1, tag 2 autofocus. So technically the value would change. You can use ref. Yes, I can use ref. I'm not very good at using ref, but I can use ref. Yeah, refs are... Well, let's install Tagify. Let's see. Let's do yarn. Let's, add Tagify. So on our timer, let's add well, we don't need this. We're about to make a Tagify. So let's look at this. Input query selector. Okay. Oops. So to input name equals basic. And I input type text. Initialize Tagify on the above input node reference. How to do? Okay, so Tagify. Let's look at. Oh, cancel. React. See a live demo. What's this? Port styles. What was the noise that just happened? Did I get a DM? Okay, it came out the wrong way. Okay. Let's see. Import switch.css. We're gonna import that just to make sure. Import crazy tags. Mix mode Tagify. Tags. Route. Export. Mix. Well, those are components. Could you please tell me the mix crazy tags? Crazy tags. Use ref. Okay. So use ref, use memo. Get whitelist from server, get value, drag sort. Import. Drag sort. Import tags from that. Blacklist, I don't need that. Crazy tags. Const tag. Tagify ref1 equals use ref. Tagify, I don't need the drag sort. Tagify settings. State. Alright, let's just copy it. Const tagify ref. Let's just use a ref. Want our const down here. Const tagify props. Set tagify props. State. And that is a Tagify settings. Just name I made up for allowing dynamic changes for Tagify using settings of its components. This is an empty object. Okay. Set Tagify props loading true. I don't need that. Or do I? Loading true. Whitelist from server. Set Tagify props. Okay, maybe I don't need this. Okay, get value. 3000, then respond. Yes, set timeout, set tagify props. Last props. Last props, default value, show filter drop down. I don't want that. On change, callback. e.detail.value. Clear all. Use memo. Ha. 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 Drag sort. Don't want a drag sort. I want tags. Oh my god. Okay, tagify ref. So if I just tags. Tagify ref. Tagify ref. Settings, don't need settings. On change equals on change. Tags. Read only tags. Drag and sort tags. This is just the normal ones. Okay. Default. Tagify. Draggers. Value. Tagify is awesome in so many ways. So the value is just separated by commas and spaces. It's a space. Tagify.ref. On change. Where is the on change on this? On change. Constant.long change equals e.detail.value. On change. Is that on change equals on change or something? On change, on change. On change. Tagify change. We're going to function on tagify change. Where is this? Use callback. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be a callback. Console.log e.detail.value. Alright. Wait, no, this is not right. On Tagify change. On Tagify change. Alright, I haven't checked my thing in a while. Can't resolve. Switch to SCSS. Use ref. Oh, that's fine. Use ref. That's a lot of attributes. Yeah, there's a lot of like options and I'm just like, use ref is not defined. Huh? Use ref. Just hold on. Huh. Hi! I'm doing code things that I don't really understand right now. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. This is what I want. You'll need to import Tagify CSS either by JavaScript or SCSS. Import tags from Tagify. Import. You're wonderful. I just woke up. Refresh. Blah 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 blah. Bop. Ah! Blah 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 blah. Haha. Haha. Value. Eat. Is it called value for each of them? Wonder why they come out in a value and a that. Why can't I just grab it directly? Which is not the end of the world. I can just grab it. Okay. So can Tagify show tags without actually? Interesting. Okay. Can I show tags? Read-only mode. Input. This is read-only. Value tag one. What is it? Well, this is for the. Okay, this doesn't work. Okay. Tagify ref settings, value ABC, Tagify props. Loading. On change. Should have looked at this. This is easy. Full access custom ref. So I need Tagify values. Set Tagify values, which is actually Tagify values. So on Tagify change, I want to set Tagify values e.detail.value. So then I want two tags. Tags. Tagify values. Map. Yeah, you can't dot map over. Well, you can map over a thing. Object. Objects. going to return objects 1. That should work. Just get the second. Wait, no, that's not how it works. This is how it works in Python, but I don't think this is how this works in JavaScript. I forgot how... I've been doing Python recently. JavaScript get value of object. Object.values. Object.values. Turn objects. Object that values object. Is that legal? Can I call that object? Const tags. Tags or tags. Are you getting mad at me? Are you getting mad at me? Okay, not so far. Okay, so daily list. We want record dot tag. I want tags. Did I name it tags? I did name it tags. Tags dot map. Tag. Let's see. I want to do a span tag. Okay. Buppa. Let's refresh. Buppa. Hi. Start timer. And timer. Oh, no likey. No likey. Tagify values.maps, not a function. Okay. That means that it's... Let me look at that again. Console.log. Tagify values. Oh. Bump it up. Hi. Me. Start timer. End timer. But it's a function. Oh, is it? Oh, it's a string. Oh. So, wait, is it a string? Well, that's silly. Why is that a string? JSON.parse won't parse, an array, will it? It's an array? No. But usually you can... Is it an array? Kind of looks like it's just like a string or something. If it's an array, you should be able to map it. Instance of. Is that not how I do instance of? Can I do instance of again? I'm confused. Maybe it's a string, but JSON parse works with an array. Oh, okay. Then I'll parse it. JSON dot parse. Parse. Verify values. And timer. Well, it didn't show the tags. Length. Tags. Array. Oh, they're arrays. Return object.values. Object.values. Object. 0. Timer. End timer. Array. Object.value. tags. 1, 2. Why are you not showing the tags? Tag. Tag record.tags.map. Span tags. Excuse you, you have tags. Why are you not showing me the tags? Huh. Why are they showing the tags? Record.tags.map tag span tag / span. Try console logging it, yeah. Oops. Console.log tag. Oops. Oops. Side of the span. Let's see. Well, it's going through each one of them. It says ASDF, ASDFS. Why would it change in the span? It shouldn't. A, B, C. Huh. Oh, I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong. There you go. I have to actually return the JavaScript statement. Yeah. We want tags. We want them to display differently. I wonder how that was. Yeah, it's a hard one to catch sometimes. I'm just like, why isn't it showing up? It's like, because I'm not actually returning it. Let's see. So... Thanks tags. jQuery. Can I... So I can do input read only. So can I do tags? Well, no, I need the actual like tag list. I could like copy. I can make my own CSS and just copy it. Because actually putting the tags in, it needs like a value into something else and something ridiculous. So there's tags there. Tag, comma space. A, B, C. Class name. Tag. Yeah, we'll go with that. So, there you go. There's tags, there's data for tags, when you started it, when you ended it, the time taken. What else? Okay, so I have the goals. Goals don't mark down. Time tracking, tags, dollar worth per entry, login authentication security, project management. You should be able to write in which category it's in, which is kind of like just like a description. It'll be fine. Sort by date and time, weekly and daily. Dollar worth per entry. So let's in our utils, let's figure out how to get function. Convert MS to dollar MS. So let's see. So it's 1,000 milliseconds per second. 60 seconds in a minute. 60 minutes in an hour. So let's see. Let's do math. My math is bad. Let's see. So what we want to do... MS, we also want dollar per hour. Let's just think about this. Let's think about this. Come on, brain. Come on, brain. Come on, brain. Do the math. So if we... $3 per hour. So we want... Okay. Let me get my calculator and think. My brain's really bad at math. Okay, so $3 per hour. So that means we have to have 1,000 times 60 equals 60,000 per... Wait, what? 1 second. No, 1,000 is 1 second. 60 seconds is 1 minute. Times 60 is 60 minutes. So we need what amount equals dollar per hour times 0.00000. So that's how many milliseconds are in an hour, I think. That's how many milliseconds are in an hour. So MS per dollar. So wait, so that's $70 an hour. So wait, God, I don't know how to. Crap! I don't know how to do math. I don't know how to do math. Crap. Shit. Okay, think about this. So we want 1 hour MS equals 36,000. What I'm trying to do is calculate, take the milliseconds, because the time taken is stored in milliseconds, and then those milliseconds are created into a date, or the hours, whatever. It uses this, the MS to time, but the time is milliseconds. So I'm trying to say, to calculate how much money, if you're like earning like $15 per hour, how much money is, 2 seconds of your time, how much money is 30 minutes of your time, etc. So I'm trying to figure out how to math that correctly, and I'm not good at math. I'm not very good at math. So hours, milliseconds. So this is how many milliseconds are in an hour. So, but it gets all messed up because the 60 minutes per something. So if I take that, thank you. I will drink some water. I've been drinking Coke, so I'll take a second, drink some water. Okay. So this was like, and a stretch. Ugh. I should probably stand up. It's been 2.5 hours. Ugh. Could you hear the crack of my knees? They're bad. I noticed that it opened up the mouth, so I think you might have heard something. Unit conversion math. My favorite math that is always intuitive. I don't know how to math into dollars. How do I math into dollars? This is not even considering, like... I can math... Okay, let's math into cents. And then we'll convert the cents into dollars. So, okay. So, 36, like 3 million... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2... Like 36 million or something. 3 million. No, it's 3 million. 1, 2, 3... 1, 2, 3. 3,600,000 milliseconds is an hour. So 1 cent. Ah, but it's different. It's different based on the dollar amount. So how do I figure out dollar amount? Okay, so dollar amount. So your dollar amount, it was 13. If you divide it by... And it's... 1 times 60 equals 1. So it's 60 times 13. So 780 cents is... Hold on. So 60 cents is $1. So you need... Let cents. Let me struggle with the math for about 10 more minutes. And then I might need your help. Cent per yeah, cent per. So dollar per hour times 60. Wait, no, it's not times 60, is it? It's 13 times 60. Yeah. So that is cents. So that's how many cents you're earning per hour. So, and then there's 60, wait, 60? No, there's 100 cents in a dollar. Time. Dollar per hour times 100. There's 100, wait, right? Yeah, yeah, $100 per hour. Cent per. So there's dollar per hour times cent per. So we don't need one. Okay, so how much would be 1 cent? So if you're earning $3 an hour, you get 300 cents. You get 300 cents per hour. There's 303 million something seconds in an hour. So what cents per hour equals 3 watching my brain melt. I'm really bad at this. So if some milliseconds, I need something divided by something. So I need what if I did So what if I did 36,000,000 divided by 100? No, 300. Well, $1 hour. You'd get 36,000 left over. Is that 36,000 cents? 360. Well, no, it should equal. Yes. Okay, so $15 an hour times 100. You need 1,500 cents. See if you get 36,000 divided by 1,500. You get 2,400. But it doesn't matter because I got the dollar per hour cents anyways. So what I need to do is extrapolate how many cents per hour are you making. Is this really easy and my brain's just stupid? No, it's not, because you earn a different amount of cents per thing. So 15,000 divided by 60 is 25. So 25 times 60. Oh. So cents per hour is equal to cents divided by 60. So I don't think I need this. But I need the milliseconds. Cents per hour equals... Okay, hold on. Cents per hour. So... I need... So how many milliseconds? Well, I don't need cents per hour. I need cents per second. Cents per second. That's right, right? So if it was $1,500 an hour divided by 60 equals 25 cents per second. So we need let total cents equals, you need cents per second times ms divided by, how do I just take off 3 zeros? 1,000 divided by 1. Okay. 1,000 divided by, I'm really stupid, I promise. 1,000 divided by 1,000 is 1. So 2,000 divided by 1,000 is 2. Yeah, 1,000. Okay. So cents per second. Total cents is cents per second divided by that. So, how many cents are in let? So, I don't think I need this. So total cents is milliseconds divided by 1,000. So all the milliseconds, how many seconds per? So now I just have to convert, the cents to dollars and stuff. So if total cents is under 60, or 100, return. Total cents. No. I'm doing it like this. This is normal JavaScript. Total cents. C. What's the little cent symbol? Cent symbol. Bull. Cent currency. Where is... Isn't there a specific... That one. Give me... that one. No. Oh, that one. Okay. If... else... total... if... yeah. And then... these can all be const, by the way. These are not gonna change. Okay. So if total cent, we'll just return blank cent. Total cent. We're also gonna do if total cent under 10. Return 0 point. And then if not, returning point total cent. Now, so const hours. Total hours equals total cents divided by 100, total dollars. Total cents 100. Then we're going to return. I need to separate the... No, I guess not. I need to round to the second place. Round to second decimal. To fixed. Yes, I've looked at this before. It is purple. Okay. Number 2 fixed 2. So we're going to return dollar, an actual dollar, total dollars. Oops. Total dollars. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I did it. It just took my brain a little bit, but I think so. Okay, so convert MS to dollar. Let's go into daily list. Time taken. And we want div money. Yay! Thank you. We don't know if it works yet. But we shall see. Okay. We're going to say MS to dollar. What did I call it? Convert MS to dollar. Convert MS to dollar. Record.time. But first, what I need is in my timer, I need per hour. Type equals number. Value equals num per hour. Set num per hour. const num per hour. My screen went blank for a second. Okay. It just does that sometimes. Ustate. This is, we're gonna put it at 10. We're gonna put it at 10. Value number per hour. Save. Alright, let's look at it. What you got to, total sent. Total sent. Okay, let's open up our utils back. Don't store. Utils. I just put it here. Okay, total sent. Total cents. Oops. Oop. Shut up. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Start timer. End timer. Money made, not a number. Okay. Let's see. I have console logs I need to get rid of. Nan. Huh. Console.log total dollars. Not a number. Okay. Earlier in the problem. Cents equals dollar per hour. So this is 10. Times 1,000. 100. Cents per second equals cents per... let's see. Console.log. Total cents. How early in the game is this broken? Not a number. Console.log dollar. Oh. No. Dollar per hour. MS. Restart. End timer. Undefined 16. Dollars per hours. Okay, what if I mess with it? Undefined. Okay, so type number, value, number per hour, set number per hour, eat at target value. So, oh, I probably need to put that into something, don't I? Need to keep it. Duh. Okay. Num per hour. Can stay. Put that up there. Num per hour, and then we're going to. We need convert num per hour. Record. Got num per hour. Try it again. That didn't look like it worked, but we'll see. Start timer. End timer. 0 cents. Cool. Blah, 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 blah. Start timer. Let the timer go for a little bit so I can make a few cents. Or I'll just put the money up to something ridiculous. We'll let it go for a minute. A minute I should at least have like... Should I have a cent? $2.64. That doesn't sound right to me. $2.64 for 16 seconds at $11 an hour. That's not correct. My math is wrong. My math is wrong. Okay. So 16 is 10. 0. Oh yeah. 10, 16,000 per second. Because 26 cents kind of sounds... What is that, actually? So, 10... Let's try this again. Look at this. So we're gonna go for 10 seconds. It's gonna be slightly different because of milliseconds, but we're gonna go with 10 seconds. Okay. So I did it at $10 an hour, right? Yeah. So $10 an hour divided by 60. I should make 1.6 cents. Okay. I am 0 off somewhere. Where am I 0 off? Is it... Well, the milliseconds doesn't seem right, because this should be 1,000 milliseconds. Oh, I have 10,000 milliseconds. Well, yeah, because it's 10 seconds. So it should be divided times 10. Dollar per hour time. Well, I'm missing a 0. Total cents divided by 1,000? This doesn't make sense. But this is correct. Is the total dollars, total cents divided by milliseconds? Is that correct? I guess it's correct. Hey, it works. That works. Take my conversion to dollars. I'll do a get push. I get push. 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 Which is not SSH and doesn't ask for my password for whatever reason, but it's fine. Okay. So, doing commissions at $20 an hour. Line art. Start timer. I'll just sit here for a minute. Wow, already 3 hours? It was a second ago, it was like an hour and a half. Yeah, an hour ago it was like a second and a half. A second and a half? A second. An hour and a half. Time, money, value. Extremely difficult to put together. Work hard, time fly. Yeah. Only 2:32. I was in school when I started this. Because it just felt like it. Let's see. We're not even to a minute yet. I need to be able to fake the timer. That is actually one of the things I want to be able to add in time to the description list. And just say... That'd be a lot harder to be able to write like 1 minute, 2 hours, whatever seconds. I can make it like a number input. That would actually work. So I wonder... It's a lot of functionality on daily lists, though. Like, I'm gonna have to move this apart a little bit, because this is not the daily list. Well, it is the daily list. I need the total list. I don't know how early I should start my database integration. Because... I don't know. I haven't started the back end at all with Express and Mongoose and things like that, so... Alright, 1 minute, 50 seconds. $3.70 at $20 an hour. Let's look at this. So if we had $20 an hour divided by 60, which should make me 33 cents an hour. And we have 60 plus 60 times 120. This looks like 40. I didn't do it right. It's close to 37. It's probably right. I don't want to check my math. So wait, so no, 3 times, okay, 2 minutes, so 3 times 30 equals 90. That's like 4 minutes. So 4 times 30, because you divide it in half, is 120. That's not right. That math's not right. $3.70 for a minute and 50 is not right. That's not right. Even take him down by another 0, that's not right. So if I took it down, yeah, you should have like 60 cents for that time. Yeah. So 37. So where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? So I'm doing 1,000 milliseconds. 10 per second is milliseconds divided by 1,000, so this should be... You're starting before your end time. Started 2:45 p.m. ended June... Huh. Let's see. Ended record.finished at record.created at. Huh. Finished at is date.now. When I start timer, it should have a date.now. Oh, my time's wrong? Oh, hold on. What time? It's 36. So it ended at the wrong time? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Let's see. 2:45, 2:53. The minutes should be right no matter what time zone I'm in. That's better? Which one's better? Oh, this one. This is the second one. That started time is in the future. Yeah. 45. It's the same for this one. It's 45. But this is just a date.now. I am doing something funky. Is I'm doing a new date record.created at because it's being really annoying with just converting the string into a date. Because when I do it like this, it oh right, okay, I read that. It says no, stop it. Uh 27, 2:38. Hey, that worked this time though. Started at 2:27. Why does that work now? Well, no, there we go. That was saying the date time function was wrong. So it's the ended at that the record that finished at is incorrect. Set created at date.now. This is finished at date.now. So I was doing new date record.time from, sorry, finish at new date, because I saw it online to try this because it wasn't working. New, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, so it's still not doing it. So it was doing it for the first one too, and I just messed up. But I think that might be messing with it. 58, 59, it's 40. The minute shouldn't be off. Huh? Why? Also, my money made got messed up. I don't know how that happened. What did I break? I'm sorry, what did I break? Hold on. What did I break? I broke something. Something changed. Okay, so 58, 59. It shouldn't have even been a minute difference. It should just read the same. So this is, it's 2:41. So param date object, a date object. So this, so it doesn't think that this is a date object. Oh, you see the bug? What is it? It doesn't think that it's a date object, but it should be date.now. It should be a date object. Or at least the milliseconds. Like, I don't understand why the date would not be correct. The formatting pattern is wrong. Seconds. Hour, seconds. SS is seconds with 0 padding. So it should be seconds. Also should have AM or PM on it. It does. Okay. The formatting pattern is wrong. Like, it'd be one thing if it was like milliseconds, but this says SS should be seconds, not milliseconds. Like, if I do, what does that change? Hold on. Right. The date object's not a function. Get your panties in a twist. The time is correct, but you're omitting the minutes. The minutes are hour. Oh. Right. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? 43, there we go. 40. 43, 49. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Thank you for figuring that out. Because I was like, I have the right seconds. Like, no, you need the minutes. I don't need this. I think it's fine without it. So started June 9th. Time taken. Now, why is my money off is the question. Because I should not have made 50 seconds off of 3 seconds. Should not make me 50 cents. That's completely bonkers. So why is... Because you're like, everything seems right. Why is data now giving us time in the future? Yeah, because it's my date display now. It was incorrect. That's what that was. Now I have to figure out why my math is hilariously off. Cents, dollars per hour times 100. Cents per second is cents divided by 60. So, if you worked at $5 an hour, it'd be 500 cents an hour. Oh. This is cents per minute. Well, that's even wrong. Is this where this fucked up earlier? Well... Cents per minute equals cents. Dollar per hour. Cents per... It should be cents per hour. So cents per second. Those times the milliseconds. 1,000 milliseconds. 1. Now why is it wrongity wrong now? Total cents is under... Would you even be making 1 cent for 2 seconds? Probably not. So if... It's doing the 0.0 total cents. So I feel like it's doing this, but then it's adding a whole bunch of silliness to it. I have earned under 10 cents. 2 seconds should be 1 point. I have earned under 10 cents. At $10 an hour. 2 seconds should be 1.11 cents. Oh, you're right. But why? So if it's returning 0 point total cents, why does it have all this crap on the end of it? Oh, total cents. I also need to do 2 fixed. Oh, this needs to be 2 fixed 1. Why is it 0.0.6? Is it 0.00.6? honest. Yes, I understand what is happening, totally. You're supposed to be good at math. I have earned under... Okay, so it's not getting total dollars, it's here. It is getting... I don't understand what you're trying to do. I'm trying to say for 2 seconds of time at earning... Well, that's his description. At earning $10 an hour, how much money did you make? Also, I'm only good at, like, basic math, multiplication, division. That's all I'm doing. Is just saying... Why is it 0.00? Did I put that on my money made? Convert to dollar. So what the hell is 0.0? Oh, 0.06. I see. It thinks I'm earning. It's $10 per hour. I was making it with $20 per hour. So, wait, so, okay, hold on. If total cents is under 1. Zero. Aaron wants you to make better money. I'll make better money. Here we go. Let's make 5. Okay. $2.80.02. 0.02.8. I have earned under 10 cents. 2.8. No, I don't. No 2 fixed. I don't want 2 fixed at all. I want. Can I do 0? No, I want the integer actually. I want int. Can I do that? Is that legal? Is that legal? It's not. JavaScript convert decimal to int. And make a float number to whole number. Blah, 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 dot floor. That's seal. How about that's round? There's something else I could do, like dot int. Everything with JavaScript syntax, yeah. Okay, so 5 seconds and making $20 an hour. Does 3 cents sound right? So okay, so let's go back to $10 an hour. If I working 10 seconds. It should be slightly varied because it's going by milliseconds. So this should be easy and mathy. 9, 10. 3 cents. That was the same as the 10 or the 20. Oh, that was double, I see. Should be 3 cents? Is that right? Is that actually right? So, $10 an hour. $2.78 to be exact. Okay. So So rounding up to 3 is right. Ah, yeah. I did the math! It was difficult, but I did the math! Yay! What I need to do is be able to put in your own so I could test it and be like, well, actually I can test it right now. Yay! Thank you! I did it! I did it! I did the math. It was really hard, but I did it. Okay, get rid of it. I need your oh my god. Oh god. Stop. Yeah, I did it! I haven't tried a whole dollar yet because that's gonna, well, here. Let's earn $50 an hour and start a timer while I go get rid of my constant logs. Get rid of that. Will it reset my timer if I do that? Nope. Okay. Index details. Get rid of that. Timer. Check my values. Save. I always must get rid of my constant logs or they're becoming too many. Data list. So just let me sit here for a second. Let the time go up. I'm earning $50 an hour, like 5 minutes should give me, like, I don't know how to math, like at least $1 or something. So yeah, so next I need to add a way to manually insert some data. So I could just test this myself. I can also do how many milliseconds is in an hour. I already looked this up. It's like 30. Show me the full one. I already wrote this. Okay, so we're going to 5 minutes should be 4. Okay. Well, that's not right. That's not right. It's only a minute 35 or $1.35. At least the dollar worked. Convert MS to $. So if we have 36 milliseconds at $50 an hour. $50. Well, that's correct. It gave me $50. Oh, it is correct. Okay. $60 an hour would be $1 a minute. Oh. But that was correct. The 36,000 times 50. So $60 an hour. Leave it for a minute. Maybe it's messing up value somewhere else. Because it did say $50 for 1 hour in milliseconds. Uh-huh. What? Oh my god? Oh my god? What is oh my godding? Or was it wrong because it's 100 cents in a dollar? No? No, it's still $60 per, yeah, whatever. Math. Don't listen to me for anything other than easy stuff. I'm saying that $50 would be less than $1 per minute. Well, that one's exactly 1 minute. $1. Yeah, you're right, because this one's exactly $1 at 60, but at 50 it was $1.50. Okay, hold on. Let's go back to 50. It looks like it's working fine. So it was just the $50 one was weird. It was just the $50 one. What? What? Because there's 16 minutes per hour. Yeah, the 60 per dollar is that looks correct, but what the $5 one was more. But then I guess it was like slightly more. The $50 hour result was like a minute and a half. Yeah, that's probably why. 50 cents at $50 an hour for about 30 seconds. Sounds correct. Okay, yeah. That's exactly right. Yay! See? In my brain, I was like, I was wondering if, like, how hard or how easy this would be. And the actual, like, recording time and displaying it is not actually as hard as I thought it would be. Like, sure, it took me 3 hours, but 3 hours is not, it's not awful, because if I was working at $20 an hour for 3 hours, I would be making $60, which would not be bad. 3 hours from start to finish to this. What's gonna be the hardest part is connecting this to the database and trying to pull values, because I'm gonna try to, like, you can sort out values per, because I have goals. Where are my goals? Time tracking, yes. Tags, yes. Dollar worth per entry, yes. Invite only will log in. No. Project management. I need to, basically categories. They're like a second type of tag. They're just a different type of tag. Project management. Approximately input different jobs which have different amounts being made per hour. I don't know. You can probably just input it the way you want it. Sort by date and time, weekly and daily statistics shown to graphs, because I did install... Did I lose it? Did I lose what I was gonna do? Let's tagify. And export. Well, I was gonna try export, so. React router, date and time. I did lose it. Where is my graphs? I was gonna use Victory. Chart events and data and stuff like that to display date, time, amount worked based on tags and whatever. So a lot of database sorting. So that's probably going to take longer than it took to do all of this. But I mean, probably yes, it will absolutely take longer than to do that. But the basics, the little baby basics of, like, here's your name, here's when it started, here's where it ended, here's how much time it took, how much money you made, and here's some tags. 3 hours? It's not bad. I don't think that's bad at all. So that's good. Whew. Should probably take a break, though. It has been 3 hours, so. It looks good so far. Thank you! But yeah, I didn't say before, I'm just tired of, like, there's, like, Toggle and other apps, they're just like, here, you can have this, but you want to see your statistics, and you have to pay more, and pay per month, or whatever, and all this other stuff. I'm just like, I can just make it myself. I'll make this time tracking app myself. I don't want to pay for your services. I can do this. I'll do it myself. And then let some friends use it. On my free MongoDB database for now. Do it myself. I'm far away from the mic because I'm leaning back in my chair. Oh, did that get smaller? Did I move that? Has it always been there? There you go. Boop. Thank you! It's funny, Rika apparently, cause she spams Riser with stuff, and it's like, wow, she's got a lot of points, and it's, cause she's a mod, she does it and then refunds her points. It's kind of funny. It's my favorite thing about learning to code. Why hasn't anyone made this yet? Well, why can't anyone be me? Yeah, because, my idea, if you've scrolled up in the server, I may try and build, like, a discovery, page for Game Builder Garage. I'm not sure exactly how I would do it, but, that's an idea that I have. You already have, like, 13k points? Yeah, that's true. I've been affiliate for a long time. Riser has been affiliate for, like, a few weeks. So she literally can't have accumulated that much points. But yeah, like, maybe, cause, yeah, it's coming out in 2 days! Very excited. Because I remember reading that there's gonna be no in-game discovery for Game Builder Garage. It's just going to have to be word of mouth and friend to friend. Channel points are affiliate only. So you cannot, do any fun things with channel points until you're affiliate. But affiliate's pretty, it's easy to get if you get in with a group that will raid you, basically. Yep. My brain is going away. Perks of being affiliate early. Yeah. 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 Yeah, my brain's gone, so it's time to go. It's time to go. Cause my brain goes bye-bye. My brain goes bye-bye. Yes, failboat. I thought that was louder. I made thinking the viewer's dream, yeah. Thank you, Einstein. I hope you come back, even though I'm not gonna do coding streams all the time, maybe. The emo's so big. Yeah. I made the emotes big, but maybe they're too big. But yeah, I'm gonna raid someone, but they'll be right back, so they'll see it later. So, bye! Except I have to wait for the raid time to go because I don't know how to raid people. It doesn't work that way. Okay. Good. Bye!